Have you ever walked onto a plane, glanced at the cockpit door and wondered what's really going on in there? I used to think flying was just sit back and relax, but once I dug into the world of airplane systems, everything changed. Today, I'm inviting you into that hidden world, the secrets of airplanes that airlines rarely mention, but once you know them, you'll never fly the same way again. So, let's start with the basics. Modern airplanes? They're not just tubes with wings, they're meticulously engineered machines packed with overlapping, redundant systems. Did you know most commercial jets are so smart, they can literally fly themselves from takeoff to touchdown? That's not science fiction, it's everyday aviation. But here's the real kicker. Understanding these systems isn't just for pilots, it can actually save your life in an emergency. There was a case where a passenger with just a bit of airplane know-how helped the crew during a mid-flight systems issue. Talk about an unsung hero. Let's peel back the layers. First, the fuselage, the body of the plane. It's not just a shell, it flexes on purpose, bending during turbulence to absorb stress. Next time you hit a bumpy patch, remember, the plane is working with the air, not fighting it. And ever wonder why your ears pop? Thank the pressurization system for keeping you comfortable, even as you soar 7 miles above the ground. Now, the wings. They're more than fuel tanks with flaps. Each wing is a high-tech control center, housing ailerons, flaps, spoilers, and slats, all moving in a carefully choreographed dance to keep you stable. Try watching the wings during takeoff or landing. You'll spot the surfaces moving in sequence, like a robot stretching before a sprint. The tail, called the empennage, is the unsung hero. Without it, the plane would fishtail all over the sky. Small, deliberate asymmetries help counteract the engine's torque, keeping the plane pointed straight. Landing gear gets overlooked, but it's a beast. Those wheels handle hundreds of thousands of pounds, with hydraulic shock absorbers and fail-safes so robust that even if the main system fails, the gear can still drop. No belly landings necessary. And the engines? Insanely reliable. Modern jet engines have a failure rate of less than 1 per million flight hours. That's why, even if you're nervous, you're statistically safer in the sky than on the ground. But here's the secret sauce. All these components are wired together by hidden systems. Redundant electrical grids, muscular hydraulics, climate controls, self-diagnosing avionics. If something fails, backups leap into action. That's why flying is so safe. The system is built for the unexpected. So next time you board, take a moment. Look at the wings, the tail, the cockpit. You're not just riding in a metal tube, you're part of a symphony of systems, all working together to defy gravity. And now, you know the secrets airlines don't usually tell. Pause, end.